Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching me here on Germanclass. Be patient. It will take some time. Definitely. German आ जाएगी, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. It's a gradual process. It's not an overnight process. Nobody has learned German overnight. Nobody has spoken so fluently in a day or a month. It needs time, it needs patience. Patience रखो, practice करते रहो, daily practice करते रहो, and the day will come then you will be speak fluent German like others. It's a gradual process. Definitely the word gradual means slow process. धीरे धीरे ये learning process है. You must have seen, we have learned English language. We have been learning English since childhood. Takes time. We are reading newspaper, we are watching news in English, but still we are not that much fluent. There is another problem in that we do not practice. Without practice, you cannot have good command over the language. You must need practice, daily practice, everyday practice. And yes, I do understand learning a foreign language is not an easy task. It's a really big feat. It's a lot of demand. It needs lot of efforts, lot of hard work. It's not an easy task. Foreign language requires lot of hard work. Learning any language needs lot of work, lot of practice, revision. If you are doing the same, you can definitely achieve that. You can definitely speak good German after a couple of months, I would say. Initially, it needs lot of practice, sound practice, pronunciations, vocabulary. These are the things that you know. And second thing, you should have good vocabulary, a list of vocab. I have mentioned the vocabulary and worksheet below in the description. We have a blog. You can check out anytime and get the good vocab power. Learn the worksheets, practice from them, use them, speak them. Definitely you will have good command. Another suggestion, use simple words. Do not use any fancy words. Do not use any new complicated structure. Use the vocab. You must have 500 words if you want to speak fluent. If you want to take a startup. As a beginner, 500 vocabulary is sufficient. If you just learning A1 level 500 vocabulary, you can start speaking few sentences. You can understand. You can respond the person. That is the requirement. What I am asking, you should be able to answer in German. That is your target initially. As you proceed, your target will be changed. If I am asking 10 questions or 5 questions, you should be able to answer. After that, you should be able to answer 20 questions, then 30 questions. So the number of questions will be increased, depends upon your vocabulary. If you have short vocab, not enough words, 500 is sufficient for a beginner. A1 level I mean to say. And do not use any fancy words. Use the simple vocab. Let me speak few sentences in German and you see how effortless I'll speak with the use of very simple words. Let's take a look. Hallo, ich heiße Aditya und komme aus Indien, aus Delhi. Ich bin Deutschlehrer, dein German Coach. Ich unterrichte Deutsch. Das macht mir Spaß. This is the way you can speak. Very simple words, simple vocabulary. Just keep it very simple. I have used very simple words, A1 level words, and I hope everyone understood. This is the thing you need to learn. Simple बोलना ही मुश्किल होता है. Simple बोलना आ जाएगा, you will be perfect. In the sense, you have confidence. Confidence बहुत जरूरी होता है बोलने के लिए, और सही बोलने के लिए भी कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. ये कॉन्फिडेंस धीरे धीरे आएगा. पेशेंस रखो, पढ़ते रहो, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो और जर्मन सीखते रहो. Just a short message. I hope you find it knowledgeable. See you next time in some other video with some more information. Till then, bye bye, take care.